Good morning, students. Welcome to Computer Applications class. In this class, we are going to learn about programs in Java. Okay, these programs are related to operators in Java. Okay, these are unsolved programs which were given in your textbook. Okay, in the last class, what we have learned? We have learned about all the categories of operators in Java. Those are arithmetical operators, relational operators, and logical operators. So in this class, we are going to learn about the programs in Java. First, we will see two small examples. Okay, two small examples of how to predict the output of a small code. Okay, we will see it. System.out.println. Okay, in the brackets, what we have written, India won ICC Cricket World Cup. So immediately whenever we execute this statement, what it will print on the output screen? It will print India won ICC Cricket World Cup. It will print whatever is present inside this braces. It will not print the quotation marks, double quotations it will not print. Okay, it will print only the text India won ICC Cricket World Cup, it will print. Okay, after printing the control comes to the new line. Why it will come to the new line? Because we have used here println statement. Okay, next system.out.print against. Okay, then in the next line against will be printed on the screen. Okay, and then will the cursor will stay in the same line or it will come to the next line? It will stay in the same line. Why it will stay in the same line? Because this to print this against we have used here print statement. Okay, that's why the control will stay in the, after printing against, it will stay in the same line. Okay, next one, system.out.println West Indies. Okay, here we have used what text we have used here? West Indies. Okay, after against the control will be staying in the same line, right? So there only West Indies will be printed. Okay, then the control will come to the next line or in the same line? The control will come to the next line because to print West Indies we have used println statement. So the control after printing West Indies it will come to the new line. Okay, see next one more output statement is there, system.out.print in the year 1983. Where is our control now? It has come to the new line. So in the new line, what text will be printed on the screen? In the year 1983 will be printed on the screen. Now let us see the output. See, India won ICC Cricket World Cup. This is printed because of this first output statement. Okay, this is printed because of the second and third output statements. And the last one is because of this fourth output statement will be printed. Okay, this is it clear all of you? Okay, we will predict the other output. Okay, other programs output. Okay, see here our code is system.out.print India won ICC Cricket World Cup. Here to print this text we have used print here. So after printing this text the control will stay in the same line. Okay, so our output will be India won ICC Cricket World Cup. So our control will be in the same line. Next, second output statement is system.out.print against. So after printing World Cup then against will be printed. Okay, just besides it. Next, third output statement, system.out.println West Indies. So the control is staying in the same line, right? Because to print against also we have used print only. So the control will be staying in the same line. So in the same line what will be printed? West Indies also will be printed. Then after printing West Indies the control comes to the new line. Why it will come to the new line? because to print this West Indies we have used println statement here. So that's why after printing West Indies the control comes to the new line. Then the fourth output statement is system.out.println in the year 1983. So in the second line the control will print in the year 1983. Okay. Now let us see our output. See, India won ICC World Cup. After this, immediately against is printed. Okay. After against, West Indies will be printed. Why these are printed in the same line? Because of the usage of print and println statements. Okay. A person is paid, this is a program, a question. A person is paid 350 rupees for each day. For each day he works and fined rupees 30 for each day he remains absent. Write a program to calculate and display his monthly income if he is present for 25 days and remains absent for 5 days. Okay. What is the amount for each day for him? 350 rupees. Okay. If he gets absent, he has to pay the fine of 30 rupees. Okay. So he is present for 25 days. Okay. Then we have to calculate the net salary, okay, of this person. We have to calculate it. How we can do this? With the help of a program. Class income, public static void main of string args. Int, I have used here 3 variables. So to hold the salary, find net salary. Okay. Salary, in the salary variable, what we are calculating here? How many days he is present? 25 days he is present, right? For each day, what is the amount? 350 rupees. So 25 into 350. Okay. This is salary. Okay. For 25 days. Here we did not calculate the fine. Now we will calculate fine is equal to 5 into 30. Okay. 5 days he is absent, right? For each day fine is 30. So for 5 days 5 into 30 will be his fine. Okay. Net salary will be the actual salary minus fine. Okay. System.out.println monthly income is equal to net salary. Okay. Hope this program you understood. Okay. Next question. In a competitive examination, there are 150 questions. One candidate got 80% correct and the other candidate got 72% correct. Okay. Write a program to calculate and display the correct answers each candidate got. Okay. Out of 150 questions, 80% of questions one person got correct and 72% of questions correct other candidate got. Okay. Now we have to find out how many questions to calculate and display the correct answers each candidate got. Okay. For this, we have to write public class competitive exam. I have taken the class name public static void main. This is the main method, and inside the main method, first what we have to do, we have to declare our variables. Okay, here total number of questions. For storing the total number of questions, I have used a variable total questions, and it is of type int, and it is equal to, it is assigned to the value 150. Okay, next one. C1 is equal to, actually how we have to calculate, okay, how we have to do this? 80 is 80 percentage, means 80 by 100 into total number of questions. Okay, 80 by 100 into total number of questions. This is how we will calculate, right? Okay, this is just a simple formula. 80 divided by 100 into total number of questions, so that we will get the correct number of questions. Okay, this we have to take it as int. Okay, this entire expression, it has to be converted to int, because we need the number, we need the count of the number of questions. So this entire expression has to be converted it into int. So that's why we have taken the result as an integer type variable. For candidate 1, if we calculate this, we will be getting one number, okay, one count. That count will be stored in C1, and C2 is for candidate 2. He got 72 percentage correct. Okay, 72 divided by 100 into total number of questions. Okay, then we are printing. Okay, C1 and C2 we are printing. System dot out dot println correct answers of candidate 1 is C1. System dot out dot println correct answers for candidate 2 is C2. Okay, this will print the number of questions they answered correctly. Okay, next one, write a program to find and display the percentage difference. Okay, when a number is updated from 80 to 90. Okay, when the number is here from 80 to 90 means from 80 to 90, 10, the value 10 is increased. Okay, from 80 the value 10, if it increases then it becomes 90. So what is that percentage they are asking? Percentage difference when a number is updated from 80 to 90. Okay, when a number is changed from 80 to 90, what percentage it has been increased? Okay, for this also we have to apply one formula. Okay, first, class percentage. Public static void means string args. Okay, int original number, new number, increase. Okay, double percentage difference. What is our original number? Our original number is 80. New number, okay, when it is increased, what is our new number? Is equal to 90. Okay, increase is equal to how much it has been increased. How we can find out? Increase is equal to new number minus original number, so that we will be getting that difference. No, now we have to calculate with that difference. We have to calculate the percentage difference. Percentage difference, this is a user defined variable, is equal to what we have to write? How much increase? Okay, that increase we have to take divided by original number into 100. Okay, the difference will be there, no, from the original number to new number. Whatever the difference we will get, that difference we have to write it in the numerator, and in the denominator original number we have to write, and this has to be multiplied with 100. Okay, then we will get the percentage. Okay, percentage difference we will get. Okay, and here original number is we have taken it as int, so this has to be converted to double in order to get the exact difference. Exact, we want it in decimal places. Okay, exact percentage we want, so that's why this original number we are converting it into double. Okay, then this entire division operation will be yielding to some value with decimal places. Okay, system dot out dot println percentage difference between two numbers is, we have to write this, whatever the variable we have taken here, percentage difference, that one we have to write it here. Okay, next one, the normal temperature of human body is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Write a program to convert the temperature into degrees Celsius and display the output. Okay, here we have given Fahrenheit temperature. Okay, a temperature is given in Fahrenheit. What we have to do? We have to convert this temperature into Celsius. Okay, then what is the formula here? It is a formula given here. C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. Okay, we want the temperature to be in Celsius. C is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9 into 5. This 5, if it goes there, then it becomes the multiplication operator. Then it becomes multiplied, right? Okay, let us see the program. Class temperature. Public static void means string args. Double F is equal to 98.6. Double C. Okay, C we have to find out now. C is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9.0 into 5. This is the formula we are applying here, and then F will be substituted with 98.6 minus 32 divided by 9. into 5. So we are displaying then later temperature in Fahrenheit, temperature in Celsius. Okay, thank you children. Hope you understood.